and my subscribers, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video. This morning I'm going to cook some ram soup, goat and cow. So it's both meat and put it together this morning. So I'm just showing you my pot. Over there is my husband start peeling the food for me. Okay, he's scraping the carrot, the squash, and he's going to do the toaster and whatever food is there. I'm going to show it to you. Over here now, this is my potato with the meat. It's cooking, or it's finished now, so I'm going to turn on the fire. I didn't show you how I washed it and cleaned it up, but I had to do that before because I was doing something else. And then this is my part now to put the food in. So continue to watch the process as I go. So my viewers and subscribers, this is the meat that I already cook. Alright. So when I start peeling the food, here you see, I'm going to put it with the food. This is a cow foot. Over here you can see the goat foot. Okay, you can see. Alright, so I'm going to put them together now. Okay, guys. Say hi to the video.
Hi, viewers and subscribers. Helping my wife cook some ram soup. Putting up the chocho and the
Flour,
carrot and so on. Pumpkin. Put in this soup.
so I'm making my dumpling now, guys. So this is a carrot. You can see carrot chocho. And we have banana cock soup. So we are making today. Okay, guys, what are you making today for your dinner? Just make a comment and tell me what you're cooking today for your dinner. All right, guys. All right. How is it going so far? Remember to put God first in everything that we do. And I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I appreciate you. Thumbs up. And remember, tell a friend to tell another friend. Tell your family about my channel. Okay, guys?
God bless you. God bless you. This year coming 26 brighter, better year, viewers and subscribers. Open more ways for you all.
This is the food now I'm going to put in the pot because the pot is boiling. So I already washed, so I'm going to strain off the water on this side. Water is boiling. Instead of using my hands in the pot, ouch, I put them back in here where you're running to. Put them to boil. So it's getting some more squash ready for the pot. Okay, so this is going to stay there and boil. Dumplings. Turn up the fire a bit. And you put in your food whatever time you want to put it, guys. You put in your food. You can put in your dumpling after. I'm putting it now. You can stay there and keep hot. So I'm going to make them and put them in this, guys. My viewers, my subscribers. Guys, I'm making some spinners also, like this. And it's not really a ram soup, you know, guys. It's just, I just put the two meat together. goat foot. And let me know all of you guys who drink goat foot soup with cow foot in it. All right. So it's a mixture of both. So I don't have any yam. Yams are very expensive, guys. So I'm just going to use dumpling and banana along with the meat. Pop a little chicken noodle in it, and we are good to go. You can see here, we are good to go. All right. And you don't need any big dumplings. You need just some small dumpling, guys. You can see, small. Can make this is some spinners also. Do it like this. Put them in my pot, okay? And then I'm going to put in my banana. Stay there and boil. You can see my pot boiling up, guys. Okay, I'm going to get the bananas ready. Guys, these are my bananas now. So I'm going to put them in. Look at this. I'm going to skin it off like this. This is how we do it. Put a little skin in the pot with the banana on it. All right, you see this? Okay. So guys, I'm going to put my banana in. You can see. Soon get its own color, man. This is how we do it. But I don't have any yam to put in it, guys. Yams are very expensive. So I'm gonna stay there. I'm gonna get my seasoning ready now. So I have my chicken noodle here, guys. And this is what I'm using, cock soup. So I'm just going to put it in the pot. And guys, you don't have to wait until one cook till the other cook. You can put in your stuff them one time. So my viewers and my subscribers, what I do now, I put one full pack of noodle in the pot. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to put another one here, two more here. So I'm using 3 in all. You can see. So I'm going to put water on it. So I don't want the noodle itself, just the season I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to mix it out and throw it in the pot, right? And I use a little of the warm water and mix it out, okay? So I'm going to throw it in the pot. All right. Can you see? I use the warm water and it kind of melt it out like. All right. You can put more water in it, guys. And we are getting the season ready. So it's going to stay there and cook. I'm going to put the meat in. As I say, the meat was already. And if it's too much water before I put the meat in, I'm going to take out some of the water. So watch as I go, guys. So my viewers, I'm going to put the meat in now. Because the meat already cooked. All right, I'm not going to let it burn. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out like this. I have pepper, but I'm not going to put in the pepper yet because it will burst. I'll put a little margarine in it. I don't normally use margarine, guys, but I'm just putting a little in this one. I'm going to put a little seasoning salt in it. A little slap your mama. Just a little. And it tastes like it need a little bit more salt. So just a little also. You can see. I'm going to put a little seasoning salt in there. Just a little. See? Just a little. Not much. See? And I put cloves in it, but you know, I boil the cloves and then I throw it in it. Cloves and thyme I already put in, guys. Lots of food. Isn't that nice if we get a piece of yellow yam? Anybody out there can give me a piece of nice yellow yam from off the farm? I would appreciate it. Oh my God. Anybody in Jamaica, anybody in the Caribbean, anybody anywhere at all in the USA who wanted to give me a piece of white yellow yam to put in my soup, I would appreciate it. You want my number, call me and give me that piece of yam. All right, guys. And as I go, I'm just kidding. As I go, I'm just taking out the bones. You can see. Maybe I put too much food in it. This would do well. Hey guys, my comment man, tell me if this would do well with piece of yellow yam. Nice with piece of yellow yam, guys. But I don't have any. I can't afford it. It's too expensive. All right, watch my pot. See my pot though, guys. Now look at my pot. Come over with your dish. Any one of you guys want some of my soup, you can just give me a voice note. Send me a message on my phone, guys. If you want some of my soup, just send me a message on my phone. And Sham put some corn in it. I forgot to say she put some corn behind the camera. All right. So just send me a message, man, if you want some of my soup. So this is goat foot and cow foot soup. Okay, guys, I didn't show you because I was on the road when I left it on the stove and went on the road, so I didn't get to show you it. But it's all here now. Just look at it. Just left a message on my phone. Left a message in my comment section and let me know if you want some of the soup. Okay, guys, soup nice. And the thing about it, the time is cold. We're in this winter season. And yesterday we had snowstorm, so everywhere is filled with snow. So today is very cold. It's gonna be. This morning was not bad, but it's cold now. It's getting colder now, so we have to drink all of these soup to keep our body warm. That's why I make so much soup because it's very cold here. Okay, guys. I know if you look on the outside, just okay, so look at my pot. Let me a message in my comment section, guys. Let me know if you want some of my soup. All right, if you want my number to call me, you can get my number also. So guys, my pot is there and it's finishing now, so I am finished my pot cooking now. As I say, if you want to send me that piece of yellow yam to put in my soup, that's okay, I will take it and I'll give you some of my soup. All right, so it's finished now, guys. It's finished, but I'm not going to share. It's a bit early. It's a bit early in the morning now because I wanted to take some rest. I said, let me just cook the soup and let it stay there. So I'm just showing you my soup. And that if you drink ram soup or cow foot soup or any one of them, just put it in my comment. And if you want some, just put it in my comment and let me know if you ever drink it before. Tell me if you ever drink it before in my comment. And how do you make your soup? Whatever kind of soup, just let me know how you make your soup. All right, guys, this is my finished pot now. Finished pot. You can see? I'm showing you the food here. Meat gone down to the bottom. Okay, so my cow foot there, and it's so tender, guys. It's so tender. Yeah, it's so tender. Yeah? So tender. So it's gonna I'm gonna turn off the fire now. All right. It's a bit early, so I'm not going to eat now. I'm not going to show you how I eat, but in the next couple of hours, I will go to eat because I get up and I just cook. All right. So this is my pot now cooking and it's finished now. So I'm going to cover it and leave it until later I eat some. And if you want some, just come over. Especially for those in the cold countries. All right, just come over for some of the food. Or if not in the cold country, other countries that need some of my soup, please come over, please. Thank you very much. And bye bye. Thanks for subscribing. I'm just joking in my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you guys for bigging up my channel. Okay, guys. Sometimes I got a lot and then sometimes it's go down and then it build up back. But I'm trusting God. Just trust God with me, man. Trust God with me. Trust God with me. Just like how you trust God with me for my barrel to be full to the brim. Guys, my barrel is almost there. Because I have to repack it again. Okay? So thank you for blessing up my channel. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Make a comment, please. Love you guys. And you take care of yourself and be good to yourself. And as I say, we are entering a new year now. We are entering into a new year now. You know, so the old things, then we have to drop them off and put on new thoughts and new plans for 20 and 26 and beyond, right, guys? Sometimes they said when the new year starts, we're going to turn over to a new leaf. We don't need no new leaf. You know what we need? To root up that tree and plant a new tree by the rivers of water that bring it forth good fruit. That's what we need to do. Root up that tree, plant a new tree by the rivers that bring it forth good fruits for 20 and 26. Okay, guys, bye bye. You take care of yourself. See you in another video. Remember, guys, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend, make a comment, and do what is right. God bless you. See you in another video.